Alright guys, got my helper back here with the Talon X4 live valve with another accessory. This one's going to be simple, but I'm pretty excited about it. I've already got the video on how to install the rear view mirror, glass windshield, harnesses. If you haven't checked them out, check them out please. This one's another product here from Tusk from Rocky Mountain 8 TV. Local, well for us local Utah company. But these are the Tusk pivoting, let's get that focused, pivoting UTV mirrors. These are pretty new. I don't think they've been out very long. Here they are. These are pretty cool. At least they look like it online. These are all aluminum, breakaway, and what's kind of cool about them is they mount right to your frame. They don't use like a clamp. They go on these existing bolts right here. So let's get them thrown on. Before we do, they do send you a package with all the hardware, some instructions. So we'll open that up and see what we have. Alright guys, here's what's included. You have two mirrors, a left and a right, driver side passenger, 4 bolts, 4 spacers, and 2 A-pillar brackets. Now these A-pillar brackets, I'll show you when we start installing them. See how they got a bend to them? There's a certain way they got to go, so just make sure you pay attention to that. So what I'm going to do first is remove those 2 bolts, and there are, hard to see but you can probably see on that side there, there are nuts, nylock nuts on the back side that you need to save and reuse, but they included 4 new bolts to replace the factory OEM ones. So I'm going to start unbolting those really quick. Alright, there's the bracket installed. So that bend I was talking about needs to be pointing out of the machine. And then it points, towards the back of the machine. So out and back. Then from there, really, on your side mirror, you got an Allen key right there, an Allen head, which will bolt with a locking washer, which will bolt right to that bracket. So pretty simple. Alright guys, there's one side installed. But man, they look sweet. And another cool thing, so it actually takes a little bit of doing, which is nice. I feel like it's gonna hold, not vibrate, but all the way fold away both ways. So you can either adjust it if you're going through a tight trail, whatever you need to do. If you come across and smack a tree, most likely they're not going to break. They're just going to pop back and save you, especially with these not being plastic, being all aluminum. Then this is on a ball joint, the mirror, just kind of like a car, so you can adjust it from there too. I'm gonna go ahead and get that other side installed, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all put together. Alright guys, got them installed. Man, I'll tell you what, they do look great. Just kind of gives the whole unit, kind of keeps it with all of Honda. Just a nice fit and finish. I think I got these for $100 on Rocky Mountain. But get them. It turned out sweet. I think we'll be able to see everything. Alright, thanks guys. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. We'll see you later.